Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use the image gallery block within Belton for WordPress. So just give you an example of what I'm referring to. If we check the architect demo here, you'll see a lovely little gallery of images. It's important to point this out that this is separate to the portfolio feed, as this one allows you to essentially create separate galleries which link to a lightbox or in some cases even a video. And we're going to show you how to actually go ahead and create these and add each item yourself. So if we head into our settings, I'll attach one onto this page here. We'll edit the page. And I'm going to pop it in just below the first bit of text in the white area. So let me start by adding in a row. A bit of space by popping in an empty space block above, and below this I'm going to pop in the image gallery. Okay, so to begin with, we've got a few options. We can choose the show all text, so if we want to use the filters, then we can specify the text to display all the items. We can display or hide the filters, and we can choose the caption size. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that to small. So let's hit save. Now we've got the initial setup done, we can go ahead and start adding individual items, and to do this we can click on the plus icon here. We'll select the gallery item, and you can see we've got a few options here. The first one will be the image. Now that's obviously the image you want to display in the gallery, so just for the sake of this video I will pop in something random. There you go. Now we can give it a title, so I'll put Woo Fitness, and category, which will be used just above the title as well as for the filter. I'll put in something like imagery. And below this we've got an option to link to a few things. We can either have it going to a lightbox, we can either go into a video, or a separate URL. So for this particular example I'll choose the lightbox. Let's hit save, and let's update and take a look at the page. Looked a bit too soon. There we go. So you can see we've got our image there, we've got our filter, and when we click on it we see a bigger version of the image. Great. Now the next item I'm going to add, we'll use the video as an example, so we'll click the plus icon to add another, and we want an image to use to actually represent the video, so this nice spirally staircase here will be fine. We'll give it a title, and I'll put nice spell video, and I'll give it a video category, and here under the link to I'm going to choose video, and in the video URL we're going to need to pop in our iframe URL. Now what I mean by this, if I open up a video, say for instance in YouTube, what we need is the actual iframe player URL. So to give you an example, let me just open up the notepad. Okay, so I'm going to choose just one of our videos. Just choose that one as random. We don't want to hear me talk, so I'll pause that. And under share, we want to hit embed. And right here, this little part here, the source, is what we are going to need. So if I just copy this into a notepad, if I can make this a little bigger, just to make it easy for you to read. Perfect. Now the part we need is just this bit here, so we're going to copy that, paste it in here, and let's update and see how that looks. Okay, so you can see there it is, we've got the video there. So to give you another example, let me just create another video item, and this time we're going to add a video from Vimeo. So let's find something random on Vimeo. pretty much anything will do really. That's fine. And what we need here is again the same kind of thing. We need the actual iframe code rather than just the video URL. So under share, where we've got embed, let's copy this into our notepad so it's a bit easier to work with. What we're interested in is this part here, the actual iframe source. So let's go ahead and copy that, pop that into the URL. Let's update. Take another look. There we go. So you can see we've got our Vimeo, we've got our YouTube, and we've got our gallery. Now the last one's a bit more self-explanatory, but I will again just make an example to show you. So let's add one more. And we'll put this a nice title, just give it a category of URL, and under link to we're going to choose URL, and rather than putting in anything else than a video or anything, we're just going to pop in a page URL that we want to link to. So let's just, I popped in a random Vimeo URL there, and let's change that to say google.com. If we update and refresh, you can see there, as well as all of our media, we've got this one here. When we click on that, we're taken to another page. Simple as that. So I hope this has been useful. If you have any questions on how to use this, then do come see me over at support. Other than that, thank you very much for watching.